So, hello everyone, my name is Sayasha and I am here to explain you about box modeling. So, what is box modeling? It is one of the important concepts in CSS. And let us know more about box model. So, the browser creates a rectangle for each element in HTML document. The model describes how the border, padding, and margin are added to the content to create this rectangle. So, here you can see the content. After that, padding. After that, border. After that, margin. Every element, everything, padding, border, and margin has four sections, which is top, bottom, left, and right. So we can give separately each of its each of its value. So if we give left padding 30 pixels and right padding 20 pixels, it's okay. We can give left padding 100 and right padding 0 and top padding 0 and bottom padding 0. It is also considered. So it is also the right processor. So after that, coming to the for example, if we take a div and we have given the properties for it. So one is border and another one is solid. We have given border as solid red, border as solid red, margin as 50 pixels, and padding as 50 pixels. And after that, uh, we have this picture. So this is the picture that the pictorial representation for the given example. Given example. So after that, so as there is no content in the middle of the box, we don't have any content. We haven't given any content for the div. So the height and width would be 0 and 0 pixels for the content region. And the padding box by default is the same as the content box plus 20 pixels width on four edges. We are defining the above padding as 40 pixels and 40 pixels. The border box is the same as padding box plus 5 pixels width, defining the above with border as 50 pixels, 50 pixels. Finally, the margin is the same size as the border box plus 50 pixels with we're defining about the margin properties. So giving our element a total size of 150 pixels. So now let's give our element sibling. So we have given the element a sibling, which means another div touching to it, and we can see the content of each is separated by 150 pixels. So here we can, if we add 20 plus 20, 20 here and 20 here, 50 here, 50 here, which is nothing but 140 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So the content of the two boxes are separated uh, by a, by a gap of 150 pixels. If we want to modify the first element to have right margin, the right margin it would be of the same position as the right border, and two of our elements would be now looking. So we have seen the difference. The right border. If we here, if we see this box and see this box, so the size has decreased, right? It's same image, but the size has decreased. So let us know why. Here we have given 50 pixels, right, but we have eliminated it here. So the content of the two boxes are separated by a width of 20 plus 20, 40, and 5 plus 5, 10, and it is 50 and 50 by a 150 They both are separated. Both are separated with 150 pixels, 100 pixels width. After that, box sizing. Here we have an example for content box. Potential use of content box. So we have with 100% padding 3% and box sizing as content box. So it would be of default. We haven't give this box sizing value. The default value it would be like as content box. Since we have added since the padding we will be added with the area text area, the resulting element is the text area that is wider than 100 pixels. So here if you take this content boxing, the content here, the content is represented in blue box, and the padding is in brown, and the border is in green. So if we have taken border box, it would be of the mean content plus padding plus border. If we take padding box, it would be of content plus padding, and we have taken only content box, it would be of size content box. So the common model box has width and height only includes the content, not the padding order. So after that, with padding box, width and height includes the content and the padding position, but not the border. So after that, border box, width and height includes content and the padding as well as border. So to solve the text area problem above, we have the box sizing property to padding boxing, padding box or border box. Most commonly used is border box. So we have given a border box, and to apply specific for a specific element, we use the element. If we have taken here div, and if we have, we can give border boxing as uh, box sizing as border box. So this is my seminar. Thank you.